Hey, and welcome to another 5-minute tech tip with Dave Casuto with SF Tech Training. In this very quick video, I'm going to show you how to use the red eye tool. And it's pretty simple. They make it very nice and easy, but also they give you a lot of kind of scalability on it as well. So you will see that there's a lot of poor victims here of the red eye coming from a camera, and we want to be able to get rid of it. So how do we do that? You'll notice here I have my layer. I need to make sure that my layer is selected. And you'll notice that living inside of my spot healing brush tool, I have something called the red eye tool. So they make it very easy. When you click on it, you will notice that in my control panel up here, I have these different settings for pupil size and also for darken amount. So when you click on it, how big do you want it to kind of take over for the pupil, right? So basically, do you really want it to kind of like go really big and make it very dark and kind of black go all on the other side, right? Is it going to, depending on like how much the red is taking up the pupil is really what you're talking about, right? But it will also make it dark. But this darken amount is basically saying, well, how kind of like really dark do you want it to be in terms of like its naturalness? You know, like you want to kind of have like black holes, or do you want it to be kind of a little more subtle so it still kind of looks, you know, like human? It doesn't look like an illustration or something like that. So this is usually a pretty good setting. All right, I'm going to zoom in a little bit. I'm just using the Alt key and then using my scroll. And then notice with this, I'm holding down the space bar and clicking and dragging. All right, so I'm just going to first go to the dad, and I just simply click, and then bam, it's fixed. You don't really have to do much more than that. Click. Click. All right, and you can see both of them are perfect. All right, now let me just try, just so you can see the difference here. For this one, I'm going to go a little lighter. Okay, and you can't really see the difference so much, can you? It's really, it kind of understands what you're trying to do. Let me just go even really dark for the baby. And see that you can see this one, it is pretty dark there. Okay, so it really depends on what you want to do, but I'm going to keep it just the same. And there you go. Now if we take a look at them, they now are no longer a demonic family, and we're all happy again. All right, so a few other things maybe you want to check out while you're in this little world. Here's the spot healing brush for a few other things. Right, maybe there's like something on the dad's chin, there's a wine stain, you know, there's maybe some freckles you want to get rid of. Okay, I'm going to do another video on the patch tool. So just check all these things out. I have done some videos on spot healing brush, done some videos on levels, and also on the dodge tool. You see all those are very helpful. All right, so that's going to be it for the red eye tool. Hopefully you found this helpful and easy to use, and we'll see you in the next video. Check us out on the YouTube channel. Feel free to subscribe, like this, comment, whatever, all good stuff, I hope. Yeah, find us on also at sftechtraining.com. All right, see you in the next video.